This video is going to show you how to use the position versus time, the motion detector, with the Vernier Graphical Analysis. So let's check out this position versus time graph. The y-axis shows you how far away you are from the origin. The x-axis is showing you how much time going by. So this line does not mean that you are traveling off into a slant. This means as time goes by, you are moving further away from the origin. So let's look at the first thing we'll do once we get the graphical analysis up on our computer is go up to the upper right corner, and we want to switch it to one graph. We want one nice big graph. This shows positions in meters and time in seconds. So in order to create my original graph, I must move away at a steady rate, then stop, and then move back towards my origin at a steady rate. So whoopsie, let's give this a try. Move away, stop, and move forward. So not the best, so you would try it again a couple times so you got a better line, but that's pretty close. I didn't start pretty, so if I want to do it again, I just hit new experiment, don't save, and we're back on. I'm going to start moving a little faster this time. Alright, once again, one graph. Ready, and go. Hey, that's pretty good. So I'm going to keep that one, and let me, I'm going to title, I'm going to go up here, I'm going to save as, and I'm going to give it a name, graph 1, save. Then I'm going to take a screenshot of it, Command Shift, and then on mine it's 4, and take a nice screenshot, and then keep on going with my lab. I hope this helps.